Hello viewers, a very welcome to you all in this third content analysis session. And today we are going to talk about a strong, courageous personality, and she is being discussed in every channel and whole citizen is with her, and she is none other than Kangana Ranaut. We all are seeing what is happening to her. She is being humiliated. So disgraceful words being used by Sanjay Raut and Anil Deshmukh, and the act which has no explanation that the demolishing is done, that her property was demolished. So we will try to find that whether Kangana Ranaut will get justice. Justice not only in terms of compensation of what she has lost, the property loss, what she has faced, but the people who are mentally harassing, using so many disgraceful words, every day putting so many allegations against her, are they going to get punishment of their so unexplainable act? Additionally, we will also find out what would be her career, whether she will continue with her film industry, or she will also get into politics. So, dear viewers, let's find it out. So our cards are already shuffled. I'm not going to shuffle it again. Only, sorry. So let's begin. Like you all of us want that proper action should be taken, what is happening against her, and the people who are taking law in their hands, and again a woman, so much of disrespectful act is being done. She should get a justice. So viewers, let's begin. So first card. So a lot of actions are going on, as our card also show, and she is fighting against mentally and physically, but that will be end soon, and she will cherish this moment. So we have got a very good indicators that there is a time for Kangana to cherish, to enjoy. Her emotional balance will be there. She will have the justice in terms of emotion. The action, what is happening at this moment, she is going through such a turmoil. All these things will be settled soon. And let's find out next more cards. And you can see a card, justice has come. So viewers, it's wonderful to see that what we want, the tarot says the same. The justice on the way for Kangana. She will march with all materialistic gain, all justice that she is looking for, all the loss that has been she has faced in terms of material, in terms of emotional. She is going to have. She will regain all her fame, name. Her establishment will be again considered by, she is anyhow, all the citizens are with her, but then all this allegation will be resolved. She will get support from everywhere, and not only that, it looks that she will forward with a great career ahead. Now viewers, let's find out what is it. Is it politics? Is it film industry? So I have very interesting cards with me. I can see there is someone who would be approaching to Kangana, and she will not only emotional balance she will have, she will get a great support from people around. She will have a soulmate with her, who is going to give her who will be a great strength to her. And also she would be doing what she wants to do. That is, there is a chance, the card shows that there is a chance that, or rather it shows that she will not only have her the action not only will be in Bollywood industry. It appears she is going to have a lot of people with her whom she would be giving work. So we can say that she might be producing movies, she might be directing movies, whether she will act or not, but she will give chances to new talents and which will be highly recognized. And this action will be taken soon. And this action she will be so confident, with so confidence and with the whole focus, she will continue her career in Bollywood as well. Also, there is a change is seen. The change will be there, which is absolutely different than what she is doing at this moment. So, we can say that yes, there is a chance that she will get involved in political how do I say, in politics also. But then I would say that this will not be the main action item for her. Her action item remains the Bollywood, the movie industry, film industry, where she will develop her movies. But she will be there in politics. She will not get a very high position, but she will be given some position. She will be doing some action which will be for the benefit of citizen. So I can say that the future, now Kangana is having a lot of struggle, but this struggle is going to end soon. She will have a proper emotional balance, she will have whole materialistic gain. The justice will be there. Whatever she is fighting for, she will get justice. This justice is not only related to material, what she was going to get viewers, but she will have the justice which will give justice in terms of the people who have caused an emotional turmoil in her. So definitely it shows that the people like Sanjay Raut and Deshmukhji, definitely they will have some, soon there will be, the cases are already there, they will be taken to more action, and proper action will be taken to for their such act. So last two cards which I'll take, then again, as I said, viewers, her direction of work is going to change. She will have another directions, and she will see the whole world in a different manner. So definitely there is and along with that we have a card which shows that there will be an additional completely different set of works which is going to come to her way. So as a summary, viewers, let me tell you, this is not a very good time for the government. Kangana not only going to get the justice in terms of compensation and in terms of the mental harassment she was facing all those days, but she will be there, or she will tell some facts which are really going to create a lot of troubles for the current government. And viewers, maybe this is the reason why she is being harassed, or she is facing so many issues. Additionally, I also would like to say that I can see a marriage in her future, in near future, which although are not a part of discussion of this today's analysis, but since this card has come, I thought of mentioning it. And politically, she is going to have a career in politics, but she is not going to live her Bollywood life. And I would say the people who are bothering, they are going to face problem. They cannot stop this courageous woman in telling the truth, and she is going to bring a lot of truths in recent future, in near future. So with that, viewers, thank you so much. You have any comments, you have any suggestion, please feel free to write, say on the comment box below. Thank you.